Okay. In last class, we have started about to discuss the update page. Here we have discussed in the update page, we have discussed how to give the image, basically image URI. Okay. How to give it? We have to go to the OAF media tab. There you have to choose any icon and you have to give like this, OAF media updation. Okay. This is the how to give. Now, this is our update page. Now you are navigating from search page to update page. For update page also we have the one UO based Vivo we have created and we have attached. Now tell me, suppose I have clicked one particular employee. So I have to pass that employee ID to the next page and we have to execute there. Then user can modify and he can able to do some transactions and he can able to save the record. Same we have did in the drill down page also. Now in the drill down page, we have passed the parameters using the URL, correct? How we pass? We passed by using this. This is the destination URL. Go to here. See this one, correct? Oh, sorry. I did Control X. Okay. See. By using this syntax, we have passed the parameter from one page to another page. This is the drill down. Now in the update, in the image, how we can pass? See, I'm clicking this one. So when I click on update here, this particular row, see it is coming to this page, but the details are not executing here because till now we didn't write any code. Just we have given the navigation setups only. But how to pass the parameter from in the image? By using the spell, simple process execution language. Okay. By using this one, we can pass the parameters from one page to another page. What is the syntax for that one? Go to the search page. Where is your update? Here, this is the update. See, whenever you have selected the action, fire action, employee update, here you have seen that parameters. Have you seen this one? See parameters. In this section, we have to pass the parameter. Just select this one, click here. Here you have to pass the parameter. Here we have one syntax, $OA dot view instance dot view attribute. Okay. If you not remember that syntax, just click on this help. Automatically, it will list out the example. See, $OA dot view instance dot view attribute. You copy this one, paste it somewhere in the notepad. Okay. What is this one? $view usage and attribute name. What attribute you have to pass from which Vivo? See, for this one, tell me what is the Vivo here in the search page. In the search page, what we have to pass from page 1 to page 2? Anyone tell me? We have to pass the employee number, unique value, correct? This one. Now we have to select this. This is the attribute view instance name and this is the view attribute name. From this Vivo, this employee number we have to pass. Copy that one, paste it here and attribute. Now tell me what attribute we have to pass. This employee number. Copy this one, paste it here. Okay. From this Vivo and this attribute we have to pass. Here it is @emp number. If you are using this one, and if you are using spell, that Vivo name and attribute name. Vivo means what? It's a simple select query. From this select query, whatever the output is there, from that output on that particular row, that particular employee number we are passing. Now go to this update. Here, this is the parameter, correct? Go here. In the value, we have to add this one. Everybody, can you please go on mute? Once you enter here that employee number, it will ask that we have to pass the value name also. Yes. we are getting this value and we are going to store here. See how we are, this employee number we are storing to this PMP number. Similarly, this employee number we are storing to same PMP number. This is one. This is the way how to use the spell. Okay, click on OK. Now in the whenever you click on this update button, along with this destination URL, it will pass this whatever the parameter are there here. It will check that parameter and it will pass. How to pass the parameters? By using the spell. For spell, this is the syntax. $OA dot VO name dot attribute name. We have to give like this. This is the syntax. What is the syntax for this spell? Or they may ask how to pass the parameters by using the spell. Or they may ask you how many ways we can pass the parameters between the pages. Till now we have discussed in the destination URL drill down. When they ask you how to pass the by using the drill down, you have to remember this @EMP number. If they ask spell syntax, you have to remember $OA dot VO name dot attribute name. We are going to store that value here. Okay, click on OK. Now, whenever we click, we are navigating to the update page, correct? Till update page creation, we have already discussed last class. What this is? Okay. Now this is the update page. Whenever you're creating the any AM, what is the any control, what is the mandatory step? You have to import the application model. Import Oracle dot apps dot fnd framework OA application model. You can copy this syntax from the previous control also, but till you get familiar with this practice, just try to type it. OA control space OA application model AM equal to page context dot get application model web bin. Now we are now tell me in which variable that employee number is going to store this employee number. Now in the next update page, which one we have to use, this employee number or PMP number? Try to answer, guys. Which one we have to use? Where this value is going to store here in the PMP number. Same, we have discussed the same concept in the drill down. Nothing is changed except this one. Except this one, coding also is not going to change anything. In the drill down, we have used this one. This employee number is going to store here. Here also, this employee number is going to store PMP number only. Only except the syntax, everything is same for drill down and update and for delete. Only 1 or 2 lines will change. You have to remember at least that 1 or 2 lines. Otherwise, no one can help you. These are syntaxes only. So how to get that PMP number? Tell me. String. You can give any name here. Page context dot get parameter. Give here. Now you have to get the Vivo, correct? But to get the Vivo, we have to import Vivo application model, correct? What is that import? Anyone can tell me? Oracle. Oracle dot apps fnd framework OA OA view object. You have to get Vivo, so we have to get import. Vivo means view object only. So we are imported. Vivo equal to am dot find view object in double quotation For update page, what is the Vivo you have attached? Check here. Where is that employee update page? This one. What is the Vivo we have used here? This EMP Vivo one. See, all these concepts we have discussed in the drill down page. Let me open the drill down page. See here, we got that. Here, what we did in the drill down, we are getting that employee number, we are getting the AM, we are getting the view object, and we have set the where class, and we have executed this one. Same steps. Even one word is not going to be changed. Same here, we are repeating here. But what is the difference between the drill down and update? Syntax of passing the parameters between one page to another page. Drill down is link, update is by using the image. You have to understand those concepts. Coding concept is, if you are able to understand this code in the drill down, you can write the code in the update also. Nothing is going to be changed. Now we were done. What you have to set where class in double quotation. Go to Vivo. I told you this is a case sensitive. In the EMP Vivo employee number. Employee number equal to plus, instead of pipe symbol in PL SQL, here we will use the plus symbol. Now we have to execute query. That's it. Now see, I'm going to run the page and we'll see. Before page is going to be open. Okay, we'll discuss some other concept. See, oh, it will not, see here also it is not copied, so it will not work. No use to run this one. Just close this one. Here it is, controls is not work. See here, where is this one? Why it is not copy? Okay, let me type it. Employee number equal to this one. Now run the page. Okay. See, I'm telling that this is the case. This is a case sensitive while we are passing the attributes. Okay. Here I'm getting the viewer attribute from here. Correct? Employee number I'm passing here. See, if I query here, everything is single word only. Correct? Suppose see here, created by underscore is there. Created underscore by. Correct? Last update, last underscore update underscore by. Okay. If you see here, while I'm copy paste this employee number, directly I am using here. But if I want to use the, okay, here let me attach that who columns here also. Okay, anyhow page is open. See this one. I'm selecting this particular employee. What is the employee number here? 503. See, data is not executing. Why? Data is not coming. Something is wrong. Let me check here. Okay, if see here that update page is not working, it is not executing. In this case, we have to check why it is not executing, whether the employee number is coming or not. How to check that one? How to write the log messages? Anyone know? I already told this concept. How to write log messages. like dbms in your PL SQL, system.out.println, type SOP and control enter. Now check whether the value is coming or not. Now I'm running the page. Guys, did anyone did the practice on weekend, Saturday and Sunday? Any doubts on previous classes? See, this is the employee page. I'm going to close the previous one. First, let me close this one. Clear the cache. It's not coming. So let me check. See, employee number is coming null. Why it is coming null? What is the syntax we have given here? Let me copy this syntax. I know where the mistake is happened, but try to understand. If you find out, tell me. Guys, did anyone notice where is the mistake? Okay, I will tell you. See, we are passing this value in the search page. If you see here, this employee number we are storing in this variable PMP number. In this P is caps, sorry, small and E is caps. But while we are getting that in the update page, I given both are caps. P also I given caps, so it didn't work. So I have to give the small letter. That's why I'm keep on telling you Java is a case sensitive. First you have to follow the case sensitives. Okay. Now you run the page and see. Now it will work. See, now execute this one. See, data is coming. Correct? Is it clear up to here? Any doubt?
No doubts, sir.
Okay. In the drill down page, now user can modify anything here and he can commit the data. In the drill down page, save button has we are displayed here. But that look and feel is not good. Now we are going to discuss the different layout. I want the save button here on top and bottom so that user can review and can take the action. Okay, now for that one, we have to use some other region. That region style is, this is the update page. I'm going to take one more region here. That region style is page button bar. What is the region style? Page button bar. See, once you select the page button bar, now whatever you are going to create under this page button bar region style, it will display on top and bottom of the page. Let's see. I'm going to create two items, two submit buttons. First, I will take two buttons, then I will rename it. See, this is item one. Suppose for save, btn save, it is submit button. We have to give the prompt also. Save. And this is back button or cancel button. Now try to run the page and see. Okay, before that, we'll write the code also. Whenever user click the save, we have to commit the data. For that one, where we have to write the code? You have to write the code in the process form request. First of all, you have to import the AM. Page context dot get application module. Now, whenever user click the submit button, we have to commit page context. This is same what we did in the C drill down page. That's why I'm telling, please try to complete the practice daily. Minimum first 5 to 6 sessions we have to complete on daily basis. See, whenever they click on save button, we have to commit and we have to display this one. So I'm copying from here only and paste it here. Page context dot get parameter. Give that button ID. I will give it later. First, let me paste this here. Okay, now go and copy that submit button ID. What is the submit button ID? Where is the update page? Okay, this is, whenever if a user click the cancel button, I have to navigate to the search page. Page context. Get parameter, cancel buttons. If you practice up to DML, 90% you are going to use the repeating code only. Not only in DML, anywhere you are going to use that thing only. Cancel button. We have to go to the search page. For that search page, we have to use how to pass the page from one page to another page. We have to use set forward URL only. Set forward URL. Copy. But this one, instead of update page, again you have to go to the search page. Now copy the search page. Only this part only. This one only going to change. Paste it here. That's it. Now run and see how the page button bar region is going to be looks. Okay. See, it is showing one error. What is the error? Incompatibility types are found. Where is incompatibility types? Sorry, not equal to null. We have missed that one. Not equal to null. Now run and see. Meanwhile, is there any doubts? Any doubts on today class? If you are practicing something, then you will get the doubts. Or you are following whatever I'm saying, then you will get the doubts. Otherwise, you will not get the doubts. Okay. Try to follow whatever we are discussing here and try to do some practice. See, now I'm clicking on this update. See, now save is coming here. Save, cancel, save, cancel. See this one? This is a better design. Instead of give save here or here. Okay. This look and feel is very good. Yes, sir.
Two times, man.
Two save, yeah, two times. That is a page button bar. So if you take the page button bar, automatically it will come two times. Save and cancel.
Okay.
This is the best design. Okay. So most of the users will like this one. Or if they want only save here, yes, you can give it here also. That is a different region style. Okay. We'll discuss that one also. Okay. But this is the page button bar. If you use the page button bar, under that page button bar region, whatever you create, either you create this button or item, any item, message, text, bit, anything, it will display on top and bottom of the region. We have created only one time only, but it will display on two places because of that region property. That region is, what is the region style? Page button bar. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is the employee number and change the salary to some 6,000. Click on save. See, data saved successfully. Employee number is 503. Cancel. See, we came to here. Now select and search. See, where is the 503? See, salary is changing or not? This is the update. Go to update again. See, 503 only we are given or what? 6,000. Sorry, commission we change it to 6,000. Okay, salary also from 7,000 to I'm going to change the 6,000 only. Okay. See, commission should be always less than the salary. Okay. In higher date should not be less than the some previous date. Those validations we are going to discuss later. Okay. Maybe in tomorrow session only. Now try to save. Now click on search. See, salary also 6,000. Anyhow, commission we are not displaying here, so that's why it's not coming. See, if they don't want to do any updation here, just they will click on the cancel. Okay. Now, one shortcut I will tell you here. If we remember, just try to remember that point. Otherwise, okay, we will learn in later time. Okay. Now, whenever I want to click on save or cancel, I'm clicking here. Instead of that, I want to use the shortcuts from my keyboard. Like if I press the Control S, the save button has to be work. If I use Control C, Control A, the cancel button has to work. For how to work on that one? If you remember, just remember, or else leave this one. If user ask, then we have to do these changes. Otherwise, in the here, whenever you are creating this button, we are giving the prompt here, correct? Prompt. Suppose for save, you want to use the S button as a shortcut key. Use this end symbol, end save. Okay, for cancel, I want to use A as a shortcut from my keyboard. Before A, give this at the rate. Okay, if you give at the rate, it will not show in the front end. Okay, now run the page and see. In interview, they may ask this question also: how to give the shortcut keys for save and cancel. You have to use the end symbol before that word. Suppose you are going to use S for save. If in your control, in your keyboard, if you are using control S, if the save function has to work, means you have to use the, see. If you see here, see, this is the previous update page. That's why I'm not close. Here under yes, there is a no underscore. If you see here, there is a no underscore, correct? But here, see, it's showing some underscore. Guys, is it clear? Have you observed this one? There is an underscore.
Yes.
Yes, here under the A. Now you can modify anything here and use the control S. Then it will work. Okay, if it is not working, means that is your browser setups. Okay, these are all the shortcuts. This is for the update page. Now we have completed the search and update. Now we are going to discuss the delete page. Before we are going to start the delete page, is there any doubts? You can ask me now. Okay. For update page also, I'm going to use the same EVO Vivo. So while you are doing the practice, try to create the different EVO based Vivo for create, update and delete until you are familiar on this one. Okay. But one EVO based Vivo is enough. Okay. But you try to create a multiple EVO views. Okay. For update also, I'm going to create one more page. For update page, sorry, delete page, where you have to create, right click on the web UI, new, OA components, page. See, daily we are creating minimum one page. Daily we are creating minimum one controller. These steps are keep on repeating. XX employee, delete PG. See, created. Once we create the page, what is the mandatory step? We have to attach the AM. We can go here and select the AM, or else you can copy it from the previous page also. See, PO sample August AM only our AM. Once you are creating the AM, you have to create one controller also. Sorry, controller we can create here only. Sorry, we have to give the window title and title, employee, delete. Same I'm giving here. You can give the different names also. Now we have to create one region here. Correct, EVO based viewer region using wizard. Next, we have to select the EVO based Vivo. Give any meaningful name. It is a give default single column or double column. Okay. Updation page, we have created the default double column, correct? This one I will create the default single column. Next, 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 finish. Okay. I'm going to create page button bar here also. Region. What is the region style? Region style is page button bar. Create two buttons. See, if you are familiar, practice. Okay. Every time not required to go to right click and create item. Okay. You can select this item. Control C, Control V. See, it is created two items. All are depends on your confidence levels. Okay. BTN save or BTN suppose delete. This is submit button. Prompt is save button. Same we created for update time and drill down also. That's why I'm not keep on telling you do the practice. BTN cancel. Okay. Submit button. What is the prompt? Suppose cancel. Now I'm creating one Java class controller on this one. Right click on the main region. Set new controller. Check here. Double web UI is there. So you have to remove that web UI. Controller give XX employee delete CO. See, it is created. Close the remaining drill down all those things pages. Okay. Now also whenever they are going from such page to, okay, before that let me run the page. Your delete page is ready. Now you have to give the link from such page to delete page. If the user wants to delete particular employee record, then they will click on against that row. We have to give some again this error. See here, this is everything JDeveloper is configured in our local system. That's why it is page is open very fastly. Okay, but in real time it will take 10 minutes or like that. Okay. See, this is for update. See, here I want to give the delete so that if the user wants to update, they will select here. If user wants to delete, they will click on this delete icon. How to give the delete icon? Same how you give the for update, you have chosen this one. Similarly, for deletion, you have to select, you have to go here, C drive. You have to go to which folder? Tell me. OA media, JDO home, JDO, my HTML, OA media. Search here, is there any delete icon? See, delete. Check, is there any deletion is there?
Delete icon enabled, sir. Delete icon enabled, delete icon disabled.
Yeah,
Just
where is that one? I'm checking for
In the
that.
in the term
just
in the
do
terms
above
article.
the
Yeah, here is there deletion. You have to copy this one. Okay. And paste it here. Now go to update page. See, this is update, correct? Now right click and create one more image. This item style also you have to change to image. Once you change to image, here you have to give the image URI. If you not remember the syntax, just go to update and copy it from here. Okay. Paste it here in the notepad. Now instead of updation, you have to give this deletion enable. Copy this one. Go to this one. First give the ID img delete. You have to give here image URI. Now tell me, once if I run the page, update page now, if I select the particular record, the page will navigate to the deletion page or not? This we already discussed in the updation page creation time. Okay. Okay. I will show you one more time once the page is open. See, this is a browser issue only. If the deletion, some icons is not coming, means they have to do some browser settings. Okay, see, if I'm trying to click here, it is not working because you have not, I told you in the updation time, for this updation, how it is working, we have given that action for images by default, like submit buttons, there is no action is available. We have to give that action. See here, action type is none. We have to select fire action. Whenever you select the fire action, by default, it will show event type is update, but this is delete. So I'm going to change this name to delete. Okay, so now it is delete. Now, whenever user click on this delete, we have to navigate to the search page. Sorry, DML delete page. Where you have to write update page. See, we have written same update. How we write page context dot get parameter event param. Similarly for if page context with images, there is a no use of IDs. With images, we have to use the events only. If it is a buttons, you have to use the IDs. This point also you have to remember blindly. Okay, page can get parameter event param. We have to use the event param for the actions. That you can use equal, ignore case or equals. We have to go to the copy paste this same code here. Instead of employee update page, you have to give delete page. You have confident, you can type it, or else run the page and take that one. Okay, delete page. Now page will navigate to, see. Now run the search page and see. Till now for delete, I have not written any new logic and I have not developed any new thing. It's all like drill down and update and search only. Okay. We have not written even single line of code. See, this is a search page. When you click on this update, see, it is coming like this. Because why it is came like this? If you go to here, click the update, it is coming like this. Why? Because for this update page, we have selected default double column. So it is coming 2 columns. But whereas coming to the delete, we have selected the default single column. So all are coming in a single column. Okay. This is you have to select based on your client requirement. If they want to show all the information in one column, you have to select default single. If they want 2 columns, default double column. Okay. Now, see, this is the delete page. In delete page, user can has to decide whether they want to delete or they want to cancel. But we cannot give the access to update. Correct? This point is clear or not? If user wants to delete, see what is the difference if they change here also some data and you click on save, delete and update both are say working same functionality. If they have the access here, this point is clear or not? If all this information is editable, they instead of delete they can modify here and they can click save here also. If they do this transaction here, both delete and update will work same, correct? That's why for the delete time, we have to make all these are read only. How to give read only? There is the delete page. Go and make all our message style text. Message style text. For now, I'm giving only few fields. While doing the practice, you can do the for the remaining. Okay. Then it is all are going to be read only. Conditionally read only is there. That is we are going to discuss very soon after we complete the create page. Now, whenever user trying to click on save button here in the delete page, what you have to do? We have to delete that particular row. Correct? How to do that? This is only new for update to deletion. Okay. Before we are going to this deletion, how this is executing? See, before that, we have to pass the values from here also same, correct? How to pass the values for, see, this is, we have passed at the update time, correct? Similarly, we have to pass for the creation time also. Same syntax, copy here, delete, in the delete also, parameters, add here. It is asking you how to give the name. Yes, we are going to give name also. emp no. Okay. Where is, this is update page. Copy the, sorry, this is the update page. Copy the same code and execute here. Delete also. It will execute. Now in the see, this is a delete page controller. See how I'm navigating. Don't get confused and don't write the code. If you want to write the logic in delete controller, don't write the logic here in the update CO. Okay. Be careful when you are navigating from pages or between the pages or between the Java classes controllers. Okay. Now this is the delete page. Whenever they click on the save, get parameter. What is the delete button here? Icon button btn delete. And we'll write it this later. If they click on back, we have to go to search page. Okay. If they click the btn cancel, where is this update page? From here I'm copying. We have to go to the same search page only, correct? See, but here we have to write till this update and delete, nothing is there. The only icon change is different. Now we have to remove here, delete the current row. Get the application model here also. First we have to get that Vivo also, correct? Whenever user is selected the particular row, Vivo dot remove current row. We have to give this only this line after remove. See, leave about this OAF in database in PL SQL. If you are removing any column, any employee in the from the backend table, after you remove, what you will do? Let's try to answer at least this question. After you are deleting any data, what you have to do? We have to commit.
Update.
After removing, after deleting, you have to do the commit, correct? Commit or rollback?
Commit.
We have to commit, otherwise it will not commit. See here, only this line is extra. Whenever they click on save, here what we did in the update time, get OA DB transaction dot commit, correct? But here before delete, we have to remove. We have to delete. What is the syntax for that one? VO dot remove current row. Not all rows, only that current row, correct? That's how we are doing VO dot remove current row. If you want to remove all rows, that is later. Okay, we want to delete that particular employee only, not all the employees. So that's a VO dot remove current row. See, terminology also is by reading this line itself, we can understand. It's a simple plain English only, remove current row. What we are saying that in this VO, remove the current row, whatever user has selected, and then commit. That's it. This is only one line extra. and one image for update that pencil symbol and for delete that recycle bin symbol. Only these two symbol changes and one line extra. If you know perfectly how to create update page, you know 99% how to develop the delete page also. Nothing is going to be changed. Only one line extra. Only one line. If you want, if you have any doubts, you can play both update and delete and you can see the videos. Okay, only one line and one image only we are changing. Remaining all how to pass the parameters, how to build the page, everything, how to create the page button bars, everything is same. Now run and see the page. See, suppose I want to delete this employee only, 503. See, I make it, this is read only, correct? So you can make all this also read only. So if you make all read only, see this page is developed only for delete. They cannot do any modifications here, data, correct? So that's why you have to make all are read only. For now, I given only 3 fields. While you're doing the practice, make all are read only. Now, if you click on cancel, it will go to the home page only. Now, if you click on again, go to here. Now, what is this employee number? 503. See, data is deleted. You have to give the confirmation message. Okay, cancel. Now try to search with the department number 10 whether that employee number 503 is available or not. See, these in see 503 is not showing employee number. That 503 has deleted. See, is there anywhere that 503? No. If you have any doubts, you can query in the backend also. See, there's no employee because we have deleted that thing. This is how to develop a update page. Okay, nothing is different from previous class to this. Same I repeated for create to update. Only extra one line. That's it. But we have to discuss in detail. So that's why I have continued the same concept. Any doubts on deletion? Delete page? Any doubts, guys?
No, sir.
Okay. If no doubts, you can practice this updation and deletion. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the create page. And on creation page, some validations. Suppose while saving, manager number is mandatory, or salary. If employee is joined, he should get some pay, correct? That salary is mandatory, or commission should not be greater than the salary, or managers are not eligible for commission. Okay, those concepts we are going to discuss tomorrow. Create page and some validations. Okay, these concepts we are going to discuss tomorrow. Separate page. Okay, after we complete this maybe tomorrow we are going to discuss these concepts only. Later, after complete the create page, see today, see for deletion we have created one page. For update, see search page is one. Okay, leave about the search page. For update, we have created one page. For delete, we have created one page. And tomorrow we are going to create one more page for create. Correct? Total how many pages for DML? 3 pages. Okay. But is it really required 3 pages for the DML operations? No, it's not required. All create, update, and delete. 3 are going to be handled only in one page, not 3 different pages. Okay. How to do that also we are going to, all are if else conditions only, all are if else conditions only. Okay, That is very easy. So tomorrow we are going to discuss the create page and validations. Later we are going to discuss about how to club all these 3 DML pages into one page. After that we are going to discuss the PPR. PPR is a partial page rendering. After that we are going to discuss some advanced table. Okay. Okay guys, if no doubts, we'll stop here and we'll catch tomorrow. Any doubts? You can ask me. Okay, bye all. We'll connect tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.